Zindagi. It's all about exploring new places. And here we are, exploring another beautiful city in Australia. Now, I just want to show you the view. ये देखिए. And to know where we are, हमें थोड़ा सा rewind जाना पड़ेगा. So let's take you to rewind and then let you know where we are. चलो.
It's a sunny day. I won't fall to hesitate. It's the great escape. I thought I'd never find. When it fades away, I won't get caught in yesterday, but get carried away. Oh, oh, 'cause it's a new day. There's a tune on my tongue, song to be sung. It's my own little creation. Got a pit-
हाँ जी, good morning. Hope सारे बढ़िया हैं जी. And finally we've landed Tasmania. Coming here for the second time. It's good. Like, चलो, let's see. We've hired a car 3-4 दिन के लिए. And it's a big car, so 7 लोग हैं हम. And अपनी पलटन चल रही है जी.
वेदर बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है भाई. हमें लग रहा था ठंड होगी बट एक्चुअली में ठंड नहीं है और बहुत सनी है और बहुत ब्यूटीफुल वेदर है. एंड नाउ वी आर इन फील्ड्स ऑफ अ
हॉलीडे मोड ऑन हो गया है.
So actually this wasn't ये holiday हमने last year plan किया था in March, and just because of COVID we were unable to finalize this one. All bookings वगैरह हो गई थी and then they said like nah sorry you can't do it. Time को अब मंजूर था and that's what we are here to do. So the process how it works, like you just go online, अपनी requirements बताओ and just tell them that we are these many numbers, हमें इतनी बड़ी गाड़ी चाहिए, मतलब just select the best alternative whatever you see. So sometimes ऐसा होता है कि आप select कोई और करो but they give you the other one, but it's within that कह लो कि size what you after अगर आप SUV कह रहे हो, if they're unable to give you that SUV what you selected, they give you an alternative one कि आपकी जो requirements है वो पूरी हो जाए. Okay guys, Sman Sumun all done. We are all set to explore this beautiful state of Australia, Tasmania. And welcome back to another video of Zindagi Down Under Vlogs, live from, oh nahi live nahi, from Tasmania, Hobart.
It's a sunny day. I won't fall to hesitate. It's the great escape. I thought I'd never find. When it fades away, I won't get caught in yesterday, but get carried away. Oh, oh.
गाड़ी पार्क करना is always a big challenge, no matter where you go. So finally we overcome that challenge. गाड़ी पार्क करिए. Now we're thinking of just going out and having food. बहुत भूख लगी है यार. रात 9 बजे तक खाया है, उस तो बाद खाया ही नहीं कुछ. So after, I won't say heavy lunch, sort of a breakfast come brunch, so it's very very necessary to have kombucha, so it helps keep your gut clean. So फिलहाल we are heading to this property what we've rented for next 3 days, and well images में तो it was looking very fascinating. तो मेरा तो ये था यार आप लोग घूमने चले जाओ, मुझे घर छोड़ दो, I'll stay back. It's that good. चलो let's see, दिखाते हैं आपको भी कैसी है. Alright guys, so finally we have reached the property what we've rented for the next 3 days. Now now I can't tell you because ये जो property थी was simply a wow factor. We came here, रास्ते में हम आ रहे थे, we were making plans, okay we'll go there, we had our itinerary planned. Now the property itself is really beautiful, and on the other side what is more beautiful and adding, I can't even tell you like how many stars to this thing is the view. So ladies and gentlemen, I give you Hobart, Tasmania.
ये सब देखने के बाद कोई कहीं
यार
जाना
इस व्यू के बाद तो कोई नहीं जाना चाहता. I don't think so. It's not worth it. No,
not at all.
सलमाइका मार्केट जाना है फिर.
Sanamaika?
सलमा हाँ जो भी होता है जो
Salamanca?
or whatever it is.
I
समझ
like
गया
your
था.
confidence. देखो तेज.
Alright, so let's give you a home tour. This is that place. नीचे का फ्लोर हो गया, अपर फ्लोर हो गया, and this is the way but कार यहाँ से जाएगी ऊपर, and this is one of the bedrooms. यहाँ पे ground floor पे, and from the bedroom all you see is this. I'm eagerly waiting कि कब शाम हो, शाम ढले, अंधेरा हो, and all those houses on those hills, light जले, amazing. जैसे हम छोटे होते शिमला कसौली में देखते होते थे. So just like that. So let's enter the house, guys. So this is the main entrance here. So staircase which takes you to the upper deck. And ये एक नीचे का bedroom है. Absolute shocker. They've got couch here. Couch पे बैठ के TV देखो and enjoy the view. I believe TV तो कौन ही देखेगा. View would be something to talk about, I'm sure. एक और bedroom है. And again, this bedroom has this view. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Okay, now we are heading to the upper deck. So here we are. Rivanshi, की हाल है जी? Okay जी. So that's
Guys, what's up?
ये बात. Okay, so that's the upper deck. Common area, kitchen हो गया. लगे हैं उधर chicken बनाने. And once you get out, astonishing. वो माउंट वेलिंगटन है. विंटर्स में क्या होता है कि it gets covered by snow, so you can imagine like how beautiful it would be at that point of time. So this bridge, so once you cross the bridge you go into the actual city, that's Hobart City, downtown city center. I don't have any words. I've never ever seen like इतना अच्छा view होंगे, but this is my first time, so maybe that's making me a bit overwhelming कि इतना अच्छा view. Now let's show you the master bedroom. There you go, guys. This is the master bedroom. Look at this, guys. इथे bed हो गया, and look at that. Look at that. Amazing. And this is the shower. और यहाँ से आप view देखिए. Bathtub and that view. Amazing, absolutely amazing. Okay guys, so here we are in city center. It looks like कोई Europe touch वाली feel आ रही है. And never been to Europe, but जितना भी फिल्मों में देखा है, and that's what it's looking like. Look how beautiful this place is. We've got some ferries here, maybe local ferries, and not sure like where they go. And that's where we are heading to, that Salamanca market. And looks like a pretty old architect, and it's absolutely attracting, very attracting. One thing I've noticed कि जब आप यहाँ पे like if you love dogs and कोई if a dog is passing by you, अगर आप उसके मालिक के सामने, you have to take the permission कि can I just like cuddle your dog, can I just like pet your dog, and इतने ज़्यादा खुश हो जाते हैं, like when you're giving that sort of a love to their dog. I mean like वो they can talk 20 minutes, 30 minutes or maybe more than that. Like इनको बहुत अच्छा लगता है. But one thing, it's very important कि you have to seek for their permission first before actually petting their dog.
I won't get caught in yesterday, but get carried away. Oh, oh, 'cause it's a new day. There's a tune on my tongue, song to be sung. It's my own little creation. Got a pit patter and my heart skipping faster with time.
मतलब ऑस्ट्रेलिया की पहली स्टेट होगी जहाँ पे हम आए हैं, तो लग ही नहीं रहा कि कोविड एक्चुअली एग्जिस्टेड. एंड I seriously don't know, like something what I would like to comment here कि लोगों ने बोल के it looks like a European market, looks like a European market. हम तो कभी यूरोप गए नहीं हैं, तो हम भी फील ले रहे हैं भाई वाकई it is a European market. में भी पता नहीं यूरोप वर्गा लगता है नहीं लगता, बट लोगों ने बोल के लगवा ही दिया कि yes, it gives you the European touch.
बारबेक्यू का सामान है.
The market, it's really beautiful, but one thing is for sure, it looks like it's overpriced, and मतलब you can get like such things here and there if you research online, मिल जाती हैं, but definitely it's overpriced.
मेरे और मोनिका भी कपड़े देख, हम दोनों ना यहाँ की जंकियों से कम नहीं कर रहे क्योंकि हम ड्रगी
घूम फिर के एंड आफ्टर हमारी कह लो धर्मपत्नियों ने ऑयस्टर्स ट्राई करे, बट हम वी वर अटल कि हमें कुछ हमें खाना है डोसा. सो वी विल गो विद डोसा.
देसी खाना.
देसी खाना. साउथ इंडियन. साउथ देसी.
If you would like to have your name on a personalised mug, you may contact us, but we will possibly can only do 13 characters across.
हम सोच रहे थे कि अपने नाम का मग बनाएं, बट मोनिका बीइंग अ कॉमन नेम, सो फाइनली शी वाज एबल टू लोकेट वन अंडर हर नेम. 1 से 1.5 महीने की वेट है, एंड माइक्रोवेव सेफ, यू कैन कुक इन इट, एंड यू कैन प्रीटी मच डू एवरीथिंग विद इट. सो देयर यू गो, दैट्स योर्स.
Let me wrap it in bubble wrap for you, Monica.
Salamanca market is done. Now, मतलब we thought of doing something else, but यहाँ पे घूमना ही मतलब it's amazing, मतलब बहुत chill लग रहा है. So now we're just heading back home, and because the actual beauty of the home is attracting us कि let's spend some time, some quality time with the friends. चलो, let's see क्या बनता है. Alright guys, so that's why we are here. So I hope आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो. So today is the day 1 in this beautiful city, and we'll see tomorrow like what this beautiful place has to offer. And तब तक के लिए मैं आपसे विदा लेता हूँ. Thank you so much for watching the video guys, and do like, share and comment, and keep subscribing if you're new to Zindagi Down Under Vlogs. Over and out from Tasmania, Hobart. See you.
There's a tune on my tongue, song to be sung. It's my own little creation.